The Better Cotton Initiative is a non-profit, multi-stakeholder governance group that promotes better standards in cotton farming and practices across 21 countries. As of 2017, Better Cotton accounts for 14% of global cotton production. In the 2016 to 2017 cotton season, 1.3 million licensed BCI farmers produced 3.3 million metric tons of better cotton lint, enabling a record level of more sustainably produced cotton to enter the global supply chain. Partner retailers include H&M, Gap, IKEA, and Levi Strauss, and include funding partners from USAID. At the end of 2017, BCI had 1,197 members, 85 retailer and brand members, 1,039 supplier and manufacturer members, 32 producer organization members, 31 civil society members and 12 associate members. BCI meets UN's goals to achieve better global water sustainability and sustainable agriculture. BCI farmers receive training on how to use water efficiently, care for the health of the soil and natural habitats, minimize the impact of harmful crop protection practices, preserve fiber quality, and apply decent work principles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.